training program with Learnwithpride as a data analyst. My friend Joy, a product manager who also completed a training program with Learnwithpride, recommended the platform. My experience with Learnwithpride is what I would describe as insightful and rewarding. I was able to gain solid knowledge through comprehensive practicals and hands-on projects, which introduced me to some of the industry standard tools like the SQL, the Python, the Power BI, Tablet, and Excel. After I completed my program, I began applying for remote jobs, and within a few months of consistent applications and interviews, I secured my first role as a data analyst with an international company. I so much appreciate the support Learnwithpride provided me throughout my job application process. Their guidance and thorough interview preparation process really boosted my confidence and helped in securing the job. Yes, definitely. I would recommend Learnwithpride to anyone considering to have a career in tech. The values, the support, and the skills you gain are truly exceptional. Trust me, it is worth every investment, so go for it.